Hello everyone and welcome back. In this tutorial, we're going to solve one of the most common Xref problems in AutoCAD, the path not found error. If you've opened a drawing and discovered that your external references are missing, displaying as unresolved, or showing a path not found status, don't worry. This issue is usually quick to fix once you understand what causes it. To begin troubleshooting, open the External References palette by typing Xref and pressing Enter. In the palette, look for any references marked as not found, unloaded, or unresolved. The status column will help identify which files are causing the issue. The most common cause is that the reference DWG file has been moved to a different folder. Select the missing Xref in the palette and examine its saved path. If the file has been relocated, you'll need to repath it. Right-click the Xref and choose Select New Path or Change Path depending on your AutoCAD version. Browse to the correct DWG file location and select it. AutoCAD will update the reference and reload it. Another possibility is that the file has been renamed. Even if the file remains in the same folder, AutoCAD won't recognize it if its file name has changed. In this situation, locate the correct file and manually redirect the Xref to the renamed drawing. You should also check whether the referenced file is located on a network drive. If your company stores project files on a shared server, the network drive may be disconnected or unavailable. Verify that the drive letter is mapped correctly and that you can access the folder through Windows Explorer. If the server is temporarily offline, the Xref will remain unresolved until connectivity is restored. Understanding Xref path types can also help prevent future problems. AutoCAD supports full paths, relative paths, and no path settings. Full paths store the complete folder location, making them vulnerable if project folders are moved. Relative paths store locations relative to the host drawing and are generally more reliable when project folders are transferred together. To change the path type, select the Xref in the palette, right-click, and choose the desired path option. If the file exists but still isn't loading, try reloading the reference. Right-click the Xref and select Reload. Sometimes AutoCAD simply needs to refresh the connection after the file becomes available again. In cases where multiple Xrefs are missing, use the Reference Manager utility included with AutoCAD. This tool allows you to view and update reference paths across multiple drawings without opening each file individually. It's especially useful for large projects that have been moved to a new server or directory structure. After repairing the path, save your drawing and close it. Reopen the file to confirm that the Xref loads correctly and that the Path Not Found message no longer appears. By checking the Xref path, verifying file locations, restoring network connections, and using proper path types, you can quickly restore your missing references and get back to work. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an AutoCAD tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.